Hi, I'm Ethan with Performance Tech Academy, and today we're going to be showing you how to do a tire rotation. The first step for a tire rotation before lifting the vehicle is to break the lug nuts loose. After breaking your lug nuts loose, you'll lift the vehicle by the lifting points, which can be found in your owner's manual. The benefits of rotating your tire is to get even tire wear and extend the life of your tire. While the tire's off, it's a good time to check the tread depth. It's also recommended that you rotate your tires every 5,000 miles. In the owner's manual, it says to rotate the tires from back to front and front to back. Once you've rotated the tires, you'll put the lug nuts on with your hand and snug them down, and then you'll lower the vehicle and torque them to spec found in the owner's manual. When torquing, remember to torque in a star pattern so then the wheels get clamped down evenly. That was how to rotate your tires. If you have any questions or would like to enroll, please contact us at Performance Tech Academy.